Welcome to Oriel Parc. We're reopening our doors, but doing so safely. Our main priority is keeping our staff and our visitors as safe as possible. There are signs by the entrance and dotted across the site to remind everyone of our new hygiene measures, such as using hand sanitizer and keeping 2 meters apart. Also, there are toilets available. We'll only be allowing a certain amount of people in at a time. This is to help everyone follow the social distancing measures. The shop is open. As you can see, we have an array of products, but we ask you to avoid handling items that you won't be purchasing. We have quarantine boxes for items which you've spent some time handling. These items will be brought back out onto the shelves once it's safe to do so. The cafe is open, offering a reduced service, but it won't be accessible through the shop, so please use the separate entrance. To reduce the risk of infection, we are asking all visitors to pay by card and will not be accepting cash. We have introduced a new information desk, where our staff will be able to share leaflets and advice on where to spend your time in Pembrokeshire and how to do so safely. We hope to see you soon at Oriel Parc. For more information, visit our website or call us on 01437 720 392.